Find the value of x if 10001 base 2 is equal to 101 base x. Welcome everyone, this is Coach Emmett, and I'm going to be showing you how to solve this simple question. So we are having 10001, I didn't put 1 here, 1 base 2 is equal to 101 base x. So the first thing I'm going to do here to solve this question is I'm going to convert the terms at the left hand side and the term at the right hand side to base 10. So how do I do that? Of course, this is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. This is going to be 0, 1, 2. So watch how I do this. It's going to become 1 times the base, which is 2 raised to power 4. So 1 times 2 raised to power 4 plus 0 times 2, which is the base raised to power 3. So that's the pattern I'll continue with, raised to power 3. And the next is going to be plus 0 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 0 again times 2 raised to power 1, and then lastly plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0, and then this is going to be equal to 1 times x, of course the same pattern, okay, that is 1 times x raised to power 2 raised to power 2, and then plus 0 times x raised to power 1, and then lastly there plus 1 times x raised to power 0 at that point. So next thing I'm going to do now is quite easy. I'm having 1 times 2 raised to the power of 4. 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16, okay? So 1 times 2 raised to the power of 4, which is 16, plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 3, which is 8, plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 2, which is 4, and then plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 1, which is 2, and then plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 0. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1, okay? So that's going to be 1 times 1 at that point. So everything is equal to 1 times x to the power of 2 is what? X squared, and then plus 0 times x to the power of 1 is the same thing as x, and then plus 1 times x to the power of 0. Remember I said earlier, anything raised to the power of 0 is what? Is 1. So I'm having 1 at that particular point. Now, if I was solving this as a shortcut, okay, what I would have simply done is that this one that had zeros here, I wouldn't have considered them because at the end of the day, it's going to end up as zeros. You can see 0 times 8 is 0, 0 times 4 is 0, 0 times 2 is 0 at that point. But I just decided to continue or to go along with this because for the sake of those who might not be familiar with that. Alright, so 1 times 16 is 16, plus 0 times 8 is 0, plus 0 times 4